Hello, my name's Adrian. Welcome to another Excel at the Office how-to video. This is a really short one, and I call it "What is that hum?" You might have noticed in my previous video this humming noise in the background, so apologies for that. It's only very slight, but it is really frustrating, and I figured out what's going on with that, and I will make sure I try not to do that again. So if you're recording with a microphone and you're recording your screen, it's very handy for communicating ideas, such as with this video you might do screen recordings for your presentations and clients or customers, other stakeholders in your organization, just to show how to do things and save everyone asking you the same question over and over again. One thing you'd like is to make sure your sound quality is coming across really nice, which a headset and microphone does that, or a microphone, its separate microphone itself without the headset. But what I started finding on a video or two, and I couldn't figure out what was happening. I googled it for ages. There was this kind of underlying hum happening, like a just in the background. It's like, oh my god, have I bought the wrong headset? Have I bought a dodgy Chinese brand headset? Have I plugged it in wrong? Is there a certain setting with the megahertz of output technical thing that I don't understand? But if you're having a similar problem, or if you haven't yet and you want to avoid it, here's how to avoid that hum. Do not have your laptop on charge while you also have a headset or external microphone plugged in, because what it seems to do somehow is, as the battery is getting charged and generating some kind of heat and energy, it makes a slight, very subtle hum is somehow picked up by the microphone jack. So the way to remove this hideous hum in the background, which I'm just keeping my laptop on charge for this, so you might hear what I mean if I just go quiet a minute. There, turn it up. So there's a horrible hum. Just make sure your laptop's unplugged. It's as simple as that. So I hope you found that helpful if ever you're doing tutorials. Again, I looked online, there were so many technical things about it. None of them seem to point out my glaring schoolboy error. So I hope you find that helpful. I've just done this with some icons in Excel just to demonstrate this point. And yeah, so get in touch with me, excel@theoffice.com, for any bespoke requirements. I hope you like this video. Please share it with anyone you find helpful, might find it helpful, and comment below if you did. Thanks for your time.